Hi everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another wig review. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, leave a comment at the bottom. Let's get this video started. This is actually on this wig. This is the Penny wig. I actually cut it short, shoulder length. And this is in a DR30, I believe. Yeah. DR30, the one I have in my hand. This is what the stock card looked like. They actually have this wig in 26 inches, which is longer, and the lady on the cover looks totally different. Also, this is a half wig, meaning it only comes like halfway to your head. But with me, I normally pull these wigs up as far as I can. As you see, it's to here. And then I just leave a little bit of hair out in the front, because the wig is right here. And then I just got a little bit of my hair out in the front. And I got this wig in two other colors. This is the one being, also it comes with a comb on the top. And it comes with one comb in the back. And it also comes with the adjustable straps as well. This wig is really soft. This is a synthetic wig. It's very soft. Okay, this is a burgundy color. And this is in the DR425. And it also has the comb at the top and the comb in the nape area, as well as the adjustable straps. I'm gonna try this wig on so y'all can see what it looks like. This is the short version of it that I personally cut myself, and I just kind of poof it out a little bit. This is what the burgundy one looks like. As you see, it's way longer. To me, this wig actually the older this wig gets, the better it starts looking to me. Once it's kind of frizzy and the curls loosen up, it starts to look really, really good. And as I said, I just left a little bit of my hair out in the front, and I didn't put any gel on it because I'm gonna put the other one on too. And you just kind of make it work for however you want it to work. Just make sure you cover those tracks that's right directly behind, as you see. It's one track right there. So just kind of camouflage that a little bit and keep it going. This is the DR425. Okay, this is what the 1B looked like. And as you see, the curls in this particular one is really defined, because I hardly ever wear this one. Because to me, I think it's a little too dark for my skin tone. And as you see, my hair really does not match it. But for the sake of the video, I'm just going to show you. This is what the curls look like. And what I normally do is I just kind of pull them down a little bit just to kind of soften them and loosen them up. You can make this hair as big as you like, but this wig is basically new. I hardly ever wear this black one. And when I did wear it, I wore it with a headscarf and put it up in like a little pineapple. That's how I normally wear this one. But you can also this wig is very popular on YouTube, so there's tons and tons of videos on this particular wig. Also, remember, this is a synthetic wig. You know, if you wear this wig every day, like I said, it does look better as it get older, but if you wear it every day, it's not gonna last long. So if you like big hair, and this is the way to go. And as you see how long it is, and my other one I cut it to here, so I cut about 2-3 inches of hair off of the first one. Again, this is the penny wig. Now I put this one back on because of course this is what I started off with. But as you see the difference in the length, and I wear this one more than I wear the other ones. So this one is the curls is way looser in this one. It's a little bit frizzier, but I really love this wig. I got this wig from Sam's Beauty, and this wig is always on sale. It ranged from $15 all the way up to 20 something. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, leave a comment at the bottom. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.